You are an air transport parts provider and you have a surplus stock, but you don't know how to manage it. You want to make more money out of your asset? Listen to what comes next. You want to find aircraft spares at a fair price without wasting your time with long process of quotations, purchasing agreements, non-activated sales? Let's get into Airbay page, an innovative way to deal between buyers and sellers. If you are a seller, all you have to do is to take a picture of your item, scan the certificate document, then upload them on your dashboard. Your e-shop is now ready for the sales. Airbay team will push the sales by targeted communications actions such as mailings, cold calls, and SEO optimization. You can now access to your free account and manage your transactions through your dashboard. You can confirm or cancel your received orders depending on the parts availability. If you are a buyer, log into Airbay page and simply search the part you are looking for. Just order the part or to make an offer to the seller. Once the deal is accepted, you can pay by the credit card or wire transfer. You have a choice of a direct payment or to use financial escrow system to make a secure transaction. Payment is done with the order, but seller only receives the money when the buyer picks up the part at the seller location. We make sure the lead time is minimized from the order to the provision of the parts to the buyer. Now, it's time to try our innovative marketplace and to join our community of buyers and sellers.